Australian bushfire crisis during the summer of 2019 and 20 was so catastrophic it became global news. This crisis impacted thousands of Australian families, but it's not until you put your feet on the ground in the impacted areas that you understand the devastation that was caused. The legacy contamination that resulted from these fires has impacted individuals, families and their communities for many months after the initial event. My name is Brena and I'm the Managing Director of Brena Group. Our involvement with the New South Wales Bushfire Cleanup Program commenced with performing make-safe works through to undertaking the remediation of contaminated sites. The initial make-safe works included temporarily sealing the contaminated sites to allow time for the remediation to be organised. Our teams mobilised to the impacted properties with specialist spray equipment to seal the asbestos to the ground or the structures that it was resting on so it couldn't spread through the community. The cleanup works required mobilising to a large number of remote sites across New South Wales, undertaking removal of fire damaged structures and remediating contaminated soil. Brena Group are proud to be part of this important program of work that is helping rebuild regional Australian communities. Our contribution has been one of many, and it's great to see our industry come together to support the recovery of these communities. It is humbling to be part of this historic project, which naturally aligns with our company's mission, improving the built environment, restoring the natural environment.